pathway, which is more like an interstate, like I-25. It's a whole bunch of really fun pathways sort of bundled together. And so we've got arts, manufacturing, performance, engineering, and design. So we're the makers, the doers, the performers. We get to do a lot of real fun stuff. We've got a lot of really fantastic pieces of equipment and amazing teachers that know how to work that and are excited to work that with you. So in terms of arts pathways, you into the program, intro to 2D arts, drawing, painting, intro to 3D arts, sculpting, working with clay, fibers, more, sculptural kind of things. And then we've got some digital pathways. So if you're interested in photo or graphic design, we've got a lot of great offerings there that are growing, and we'll be adding to this as you guys are progressing through Sand Creek, and also having capstone options that we're building in these fields. We've also got an advanced honors track, so if you're interested in perhaps college and career in the arts, you could be looking at our International Baccalaureate IB program for the diploma program, 11 manufacturing, and we just got some fantastic new toys in with the manufacturing program this year. We just got a 3D printer that's the size of the TARDIS. You could 3D print something almost as big as me, maybe if I can do this. We've got a laser engraver where you can etch into wood, glass, all kind of cool stuff. A handful of smaller 3D printers, welding setup, all kind of machining, really great fun toys. We've got our performance pathways. Give it up for these guys once more, please. So in addition to our various bands, we've also got choir, we've got theater, we've got just a variety of ways for you to kind of show that you're a star, or even work kind of behind the scenes if you're into more kind of stagecraft. Our engineering program is really fantastic. We've got sort of a way to sort of bring you into the idea of engineering, the different options within those fields, and then as you sort of progress, a way to more sort of specialize in those. We've got some computer engineering. So as Mr. Smith asked earlier, we've got students who are working with our A+ program. We're learning how to take computers. You guys hear me all right? Yeah. All right, done with that. Now I'm going to stand right here. Okay, with our computer engineering, if you guys are interested in repairing computers, you can basically come right through high school, go right into making a career, or at least a job that might help you through college where you're making 20, 30 bucks an hour fixing computers. In terms of design, this sort of overlaps with engineering a whole lot, and so this is more of like the IB version of engineering, and so there's a lot of similarities there in terms of you're basically working with our top engineering teachers, but with more of a global-minded focus. And we've got some really great events going on. So we have an annual event that's for the Sand Creek Zone. That's our Art and Design Expo. How many of you have attended that in the past over at Sand Creek? See a couple of familiar faces. So that's like a super art show, design expo. We have performances. It's kind of like a festival to celebrate the great things going on in the Sand Creek Zone. We've got field trips. We take all of our art students, which is sometimes up to 400, 450 students a semester, up to the Denver Art Museum. We do that twice a year. We've got a design project expo where we show off all of our engineering and middle years program, 10th grade projects. Lots and lots of fun events. And we've got some great clubs too. So right now, I'm one of the sponsors of the National Art Honor Society. We're basically like NHS, but with an arts focus. So we go out, we do community service that's arts related, we do murals, we go on trips up to the museums, we spend overnight in Denver, go to all the galleries in the spring. This year we're going to take a group down to Albuquerque, New Mexico, and we're going to visit something called Meow Wolf, which is a bowling alley that was taken over by 150 artists. And it's like a giant arts playground, and so that's going to be one of our activities for National Art and Honor Society. We've got Cyber Patriot, so if you're interested in network security, basically that's where somebody simulates an attack on a network and you tell them to back off. We've got an engineering club for those who really want to go more above and beyond and work on independent stuff with their engineering. And then we've got Girls Who Code. Right now, if you look at like the software industries, there's a drastic underrepresentation of females in the industry. And so this is a club that's meant to encourage women to go into coding software. Now it's not just for girls though too. If you're a guy and you want to join us, more than happy to have you. Okay, so Represent. Okay, so that's it for the AMP pathway.